Hello! I have another Temu haul, a small one. It's pretty good. This was, anyway, this was stuff I bought. I have another influencer group coming, and I can't remember what it is. I think it's makeup. I can't remember. Anyway, I got this epilator. It's a thing for doing your legs with, and it's supposed to remove hair, and I think it does. I saw Melissa, Cheap Chick, had one, and it's sort of rough stuff. I tried it on my arm, but I don't really have any hair, so I think it works. It looks pretty good, and it's cool. So I think this is like $2 something, and there'll be a link in the bottom with a discount and stuff. And some infos. We got these. I use a shower cap when I take a shower, and Melissa got these too. And these are bigger, you know, because a lot of those shower caps, I think they're small. This is a bigger kind of a microfiber. So I got 2 of these. I'll take one down the beach and leave it. And I try this one out tonight and see how this baby works. Yeah, I don't get my head real wet. So, I will try it. Anything's better than what I got. And I got a couple little necklaces. I'm not sure how to pronounce this thing. Oxal. It's an aquatic type. I don't know why these are popular. If there's a cartoon or a show that has featured these. It's really cute. I got this wound up here. I can get it loose. It's got a little blue stone, and then it's got some, like, I don't know what those are, little purple stones there. So I thought that was very, very cute. I got this all wrapped. This is all wrapped around here. I'll have to take my time to get it loose. But that's cute. It was only like $1.80 or something. Then I got a great deal on these magic erasers. I think there's 4, 6, 8, I think there's like 30 of these, or more than 32 of these, I think, for like $2 something. Well, we will use these. I love these. They're good for cleaning everything, except plastic. You have to be careful. It can mark up your plastic and screw up the finish if you're not careful. But for other things, excellent. That was another Melissa one. So is this one. I think this was $2, and I think I got, I'm not sure how many's in there. 300, which is probably about the same price as a dollar store now that I think of it. I think these are, yeah, these are wooden stick parts. So I don't know if I like that or not. Hopefully I won't catch a splinter on them. But I can always use these. And we got another pack of these, because we like these. This one's smoother, and this one's the rougher one. And I think they react to the hot and cold just like that. I can't remember what it's called now. This other scrub that they have in QVC. So, yay. Oh, and then another Melissa. See, I watch that Melissa. These are coasters. See if I can get them open. For in your car, your drink. What do you call them? Your cup holders. They get all icky down the bottom, and these are kind of like a neoprene stuff. I think these are 78 cents a pair. So that's awesome. And then I've got the daisies, and then I got these. They have all kinds of prints. But these were the 78-cent prints. Doggy prints and daisies. We'll give those a try. Oh, and I got another gummy bear necklace set. Yeah. I think this was like $2. This gummy bear earrings, which is sort of cute. Boy, everything likes to get tangled. There, and the necklace. All tangled up too. Now, I'll work on that today. Getting this guy undone. I guess it's not too, no, I guess it's not too bad. No, it's not too bad. So, that was a little set. I think they had them in purple, too. And I think, oh, the last thing I got was another necklace. I don't know why the necklaces were showing up. You never know what you're going to get in your feet. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, this one isn't. Oh, this is cute. It's a little gator with a kind of a gold citrine colored heart stone. So he's cute, and it has a chain like that. I think that's it. So I'm expecting more. Yeah, not hard to believe, is it? So I will see you later. Bye-bye.